Oh wow, it is smacking itself. What's going on over here? Make the moment and enjoy. This is what this thing is all about. It's called the iSteady by Hohem. What a name! With amazing results. Now, the iSteady is a free access palm gimbal for smartphones. And guess what I have right here in my hand? I have a smartphone. Now, should you actually get this for yourself? So, the box, unboxing this thing, you get the necessities, really. It's really necessities. You get the USB cable to this, which is the charging cable. You get this mini Ninja famous style that it comes with as well. And you can use this as a Ninja style, or you can use this as a miniature tripod. It comes with this thing, which is just junk. And lastly, it comes with the most smallest and useless instructions booklet I have ever seen. Look how tiny this thing is. Now to set this up, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is first download the app. Then you go ahead and all you have to do next is just make sure they go and work with the phone. So you have to link it together, but it's not gonna work. Why? Because you didn't register it. And the instructions, it doesn't even say this, anything here. So what you have to do is when you download the actual app, after you download, you have to register with your email. After you register, you have to turn off the app, get rid of it from the screen, open it again, and then link it to this device and turn it on. They could have easily saved us a lot of headache by actually posting this up in here. After you do this, only thing next you have to do is just to put your phone over here, and voila, you have it supposedly made. Now you're definitely not supposed to put the phone like this, or I mean you can put the phone anywhere you want, put it vertical or horizontal. It is pretty flimsy, it is small, and then what you're going to be doing is pressing the power button and just holding it, and it turns on. Then what you have to do next is just position this just like that, so it doesn't move right away to it supposedly how it's supposed to move to, but then yeah, we got it, it's working. And yup, there is this view, so you can see how view actually works, and there is the vertical view to this as well, but you can also move this. See? Magic. Let's go, come on. You ready? Double five me right now. Yeah, double five. Show me double five. Yeah, double five. Slap double. Slap. Double five me. Yeah. Right hand. Left. Your left, man. Your left, not mine. Oh no. You almost got the bone. Left hand, come on. Slap me five. Left hand. Left hand. Left, yes. Let me shake your hand. Shake your hand, bud. Shake my hand, the right one. Shake hand. Yes. Shake hand with the right. Shake hand with the right. Shake hand, man. Yes, shake my hand. Good boy. Now you're gonna slap me double five. Slap me double five. Yeah, slap me double fine. Yeah, you're getting frustrated, huh? You ready for your bone? Okay, ready? Ready? Set. Cleopatra! Haha, you're being a good boy. You're listening here, huh? Yeah. Now, when I'm gonna be telling you to go, you're gonna get it, okay? Ready? Set. Go! Go! Overall, it is much better than the bigger one that I used before, but it has its own issues. What are the issues? The battery life is pretty much improved because it's small, it uses less battery. But the biggest issue that I have, one is install. Two, what I don't like is if you are using a cell phone cover to this, such as me, and most people are going to be using cell phone covers. What's going to happen is we have a problem. You can see that it's hardly sticking on this, and in fact it jumped right over it before. So you have to be pretty careful so you don't mess around your $700 expensive iPhone. Mine is $400, but it could be $700. And if yours is a very expensive iPhone and you put it on here and it accidentally snaps off of it, we have a problem. Two is like you're not supposed to take this out of here. Why? Look what happens. It's moving. It's slapping itself. So you're not supposed to take this out until you go ahead and turn off the power. When you do, this thing is just going to drop. That's why I'm trying to catch it. No need, no need. It was cool. It didn't drop. It did what it's supposed to do. I'm impressed. Now I'm turning it back on. Oh, now it works. So overall, it is an improvement. It is much better than the previous gimbal I used. It is still cheap. It probably will still break. But it is smaller. And I like it a little bit better. Am I going to keep this? I don't know. I am impressed. It's pretty good. It is much more lightweight. I don't have to carry a whole brick with me. It is actually half the weight of a pound. It is a half of a pound. It is pretty interesting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy this video and want to see more video reviews, make sure you sub to this channel and see you in another video. And make sure to smash the thumbs up button because that's the way YouTube wants you to do. Actually, that's the way I want you to do. Help me out by smashing the thumbs up button, writing something below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And have a great day. So are you going to be getting one of those? Let me know in a comment down below. You think it's worth it? You think this is worth the money? It is one of the cheapest gimbals out there. And for about 80 bucks, what do you have to lose? There's going to be a link down below in case you want to get one for yourself as well.